To make green home decoration we need by choosing green, there is a full range of green paint colors to choose from, ranging from the palest mint green to the deepest forest green. But you don't have to grab a can of paint to bring the color into your room. Whether you're ready to drench your walls in a deep mossy green, or just want to add an accent of the color through a rug or a pillow. Start your foray into foliage-inspired tones by taking inspiration from this charming Maine cottage's happy front door. The simple verdant landscape and a bright white exterior help the door pop. Salvaged wood countertops set the rustic, pieced-together feel of this cottage's galley kitchen, which is inspired by old European cottages. The browns and golds of the tile backsplash unite the deep pigments of the blue cabinet and the emerald green. Additionally, the lower cabinets were given a fresh coat of moss green paint, as well as the wood beams, pine farm table, and original hardwood floors were left to show off their natural warmth. To decorate your kitchen, you can start from the floor to determine the atmosphere of this camping-style lake house kitchen. Thrifty signs and a jumbled collection of flasks, cups, and plates make for a colorful space, and mismatched benches enhance the feeling of coming your way. Don't forget to dress up the cabin like pine plank walls and cabinets in colors reminiscent of vintage Coleman lanterns. Meanwhile, a pair of wooden chairs left as trash in the hallway had him searching for a more matching pair, all of which he gave a uniform look in an avocado green hue that's very much in keeping with California style.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.